Alright, welcome back to LabGo Gaming Plays. We're picking up about where we left off. And here we go! I don't know if that sand is deadly or not. Ah, rocks. It's like the stork baby of cavemen. And that is death. Funny how similar those are. Why didn't you jump? Why didn't you jump? I asked you to jump, you didn't do it. Tell me, why would you do that, dinosaur? Hi, Angry McJoeface. I remember you. Dancing ladies of death. Oh, game over. Why? Okay, or don't jump. Sure. Why not? Grr. Boing. I will never touch the ground! Oh, I touched the ground. Oh. Why are there so many enemies here? Okay. All of a sudden, this isn't going so well. Die, all of you die! They have to run out of caveman storks eventually. Dang it! I did not make it to the one-up. Whatever. I'm done with that level. Why? Not again! Oh god, porcupines! Porcupines and windmills of death, why? Why, game designers, why would you do this to me? Oh god! Porcupines were the death of me, and they are now again. I hate this part. Why would they do this to me? Ow. Porcupines! Ow. Dang it! Why? Ow. I can't even see the porcupines and they're hitting me on the head. To be fair though, I never thought I'd get to say I was riding a dinosaur and then got hit on the head by a porcupine. And I'm kind of satisfied, and that's oddly satisfying. I had nowhere to go. The flames were approaching. Oh, porcupines falling out of the sky. This is much worse than the other windmill of death. Going for it! I got it! May not have been the best decision, but I got it. Oh! Flies. Fly hummingbird bees, monster things. Oh jeez. Why? Just in case this game you didn't already hate this game well enough, there's porcupines, a windmill of death, and things flying at you everywhere. Nice job, game designers. Ah. Wait, what? Did I just kill a porcupine by jumping on it? No, that can't be. Must have been a glitch. Porcupines are invincible. Everybody knows that. Ow. Dang it! Didn't get the heart in time. Ow. Crap. I'm not doing so well this on this windmill. Porcupines everywhere. Yes, I'm doing better this time. Ow. Well, better. I was doing better for a bit. Ah! That was close. Yeah, or just jump off the edge, sure, why not? It's only been like 5 minutes, and I'm already sick of this level. Well, I accidentally deleted that password, so we're gonna go to the save state and have to do a few more things, and do the previous level first as well. Oh, that's fun. I love that. Thank you, game. I appreciate that so much. It hurts. It physically hurts. How could they be so cruel? Or don't jump, sure, why not? Well, hopefully the password should be back. password's back. Oh, apparently that sand is not lethal. Good to know. Sand is not lethal. Oh god, why are there so many jumping men? So many of them! Hello, darkness, my old friend. You know what? Nope, I'm done for the day. I give up. Saving state. I'll see you next time.